planning going on a trip to Obudu gang.
Drive home. Oh yeah, now at oh good.
Who they crush on for you? Which guy they crush on for you?
Truth, Abby?
Yeah.
Truth. Yeah.
When last did you have sex?
Capital of Jigawa.
Who asked you? Who asked you? Loyal friends or $1 million? Are you serious? I finally took breakfast. Do chocolates contain caffeine? Yes.
En route to we don't know yet.
Down here. Sebastian.
Hey,
what's up, man? How you niggas doing,
Mr.
man?
K.
We good.
The
Very
nigga that doesn't
good.
smile.
I don't smile now.
Comrade of all people.
You see my man? I don't smile now.
Maggi.
And the organizer of
Yeah,
the
brother. His name is John.
This is my face.
My daddy.
His real face.
My daddy.
Young
Money
John,
man.
the wicked.
This is the
Young John,
money
wicked
man.
producer.
The
And
wicked
for
designer.
those people that are not here,
Obudu
those people that are not
Conservation
showing in the
Center.
video.
That's the Okay guys, so the tour finally started. It's Saturday and it's 10:47 a.m. and we're out here. Those are my colleagues over there and this is our Hebu driver. It's so nice. Hi, here is the view of the mountain, guys. Can you see these mountains? It's like dope. And this is what it looks like. I mean and then there are dongs everywhere, cow dongs everywhere, but it's nice. Yeah, it's cool. Like the view is crazy. I feel like jumping now. Hey Francisca, how you doing? I'm not fine. Are you scared? I'm scared. Let me go with you. Hold me. Thank you. Let's go together. We're going on a journey together. Yeah, we out here. We're chilling. Turn back, baby, so that you can see the mountains. We're coming. No power for us, Daddy. We're coming.
Slim,
Sorry, don't worry, we'll be fine.
I'm here.
We'll be fine. Francesca is such a baby. Francesca, don't worry. Don't worry. Yeah, I'm having mad fun here and I'm forgetting to take you guys on the trip. So we are currently at the presidential villa, but it's not open, I guess, because there's the president
Is not around or they're not having any meeting or whatever here. So I'm just going to show you guys around and the view here. I have to be very careful. Let me show you what the other side looks like. This is like let me just show you the other side. Let's be careful. The other side looks like, hey, like fall guys, it's on you. So that's what the villa looks like. I think that's where the chopper lands. This is the environmental. I don't even can see it. That's like chairs and everything. I guess for when there are meetings and all of those things. You can zoom cords, guys. So I don't slide up. I never snap on that side though.
More of the apartment. I don't know what this is for. Hey, this is one. This is something. Sorry, what exactly is this place? Where exactly is this place? Okay, so this is still part of the presidential villa. I guess it's for like escorts. It's not. So the building I showed you guys is actually for ADCs, for the presidents. This is our Obudu tour guide. Look at him. Is this so handsome? Hi, what's your name?
Innocent.
Yeah, it's Innocent. Are you from Korshiba?
Yes.
Yeah, he's from Korshiba. Obudu Obalinko.
Obalinko.
He's from Obalinko, and he's so cool, so gentle. He's been taking us around, and we've been having fun, blast. Like, since when have you been working here?
Yeah.
Since when have you been?
Yeah, it's
Working
about,
here.
yeah, it's about 10 years today.
Wow, 10 years.
Yes.
Today?
Yes.
Exactly today?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
For me, starting working is about 10 years.
Okay,
I started when I was small.
Oh wow, so he's been here for 10 years. And what would you say, is this better than 10 years ago? Or
No, it's not better because it's still going down again. It's not
going
really,
down?
yeah, it's not
I mean,
that
we're
good.
having fun. We've not
It's
been here
that
before.
good again, yes.
Yeah, it's not that good again,
Yeah.
but I mean, it's still something.
No, it's
For
still
people like us that are coming for the first time, we are like enjoying the view. So imagine how it was like years ago.
Sorry?
But then I said, imagine how it was like years ago.
Yeah. You
Man.
come here and you have good funds and you see the place look good, but now it's
Wow.
not that good again.
Wow.
Yeah.
Where's the cattle? Like, where are the cattle? Like, where they are exactly?
The cattle doesn't come around here because if they come
Okay.
around here,
But
shoot
they have
them.
like a place
Yeah,
that
they have
they-
place that they used to cattle. So,
Alright.
yes. Alright, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, so that's it. You've heard from the horse's mouth. Like, he's been here for 10 years. That's a whole lot, guys. And you have seen this place evolve over time, and he's saying that it's not getting better. But I mean, it's still fun, guys, if you come around. I think we have company now. There are other people around here too. They came for a tour. Wow, they're over there.
We are going to Canopy Walk.
Woo, guys, are you excited? Oh, there's nothing on the wall, but it's just like this, and this is the part. And my guys are in front. Look at them. They're in front, and I'm just at the back. But we're ready for this canopy walk thing. I'm jet up. I mean, I'm not putting on any sneakers. I don't know. I just did not want to carry a whole lot of. What tree is this? What tree is that?
How is it called? Eucalyptus tree, but when you start
Okay, eucalyptus.
small
Oh,
oil.
eucalyptus. Okay, yeah. Eucalyptus. Wow.
or like
I'm seeing eucalyptus tree for the first time, guys. When it falls, what happened?
I mean, even if it dies, it doesn't fall. Like,
Are you
it remains
serious?
standing. Yeah.
Wow.
ones are dead.
Eucalyptus.
Standing.
Look at it. Wow. So this is where they get eucalyptus oil from. Guys, I'm seeing things. Consumes a lot of water. That's an info. Baby. So the canopy walk is for 300 naira per person, but they want to give us a discount of 200 naira. 100 naira. So we're paying 200 naira. How many are we? 14 times 200. That's how much? 7,000. 2,800. Huh? 2,828. That's 5,400. What and what are we doing here? Canopy walk and what? Bestie. My boo. My boo that has one. The boo of boos.
Your prayer, no,
How you doing? Are you thanks?
sacrifice for you.
But you cannot.
We will die together.
any
We are going to die.
Are you sure? Guys, I'm going to be showing you Sebastian as we go.
We are going to die together.
Go forward.
It's a monkeys.
So we're ready.
I say what I did downstairs. Nice me, I think.
I'm on video, bro.
Yeah, this is yeah. Are you sure? Voila.
Came on. Wait a minute.
have started on no picture.
We're not passing this
One
place back.
step. Where else? One step. You can do it. One step. Choose. Keep coming. Keep coming. Yeah, one step. One step. One.
We are going back, you know.
To do what one?
Are you climbing up?
Climbing up.
So this is the first layer, guys. Like I just walked through this. I didn't scream, guys, but I mean I was a bit tensed, but I didn't scream. Going up to the second layer, guys.
Oh yeah, now. Like you don't get capture this.
You cannot open her eyes.
She did not open her eyes at all.
Next.
Where's my pass? Best one.
Yeah.
No, they go.
I love
Yeah, let me do her.
Mr. Innocent, you are a darling.
Sorry.
Me and a canopy back.
Follow the ladder. 10 minutes more, baby.
Oh, I will now. I want more.
So now,
Oh yeah,
guys,
climb, Sebastian.
this is a hearse. A hearse.
You think say me I don't know about her?
Hey, hearse.
Sebastian,
What's the name?
Climb the horse now.
No worry, I'll go climb her later.
What's your name? Hey, baby.
Have you
What?
Is it in
Not
there?
no problem. Okay. Okay.
Who was the horse? The horse. This horse.
Guys, it's been mad fun so far. Like I was on the canopy walk shortly. You're gonna be seeing clips of it. I've been having a lot of fun, and I'm trying to find a balance between fun and also capturing doing a video of the environment so that you guys can know what it's. That's back of my coat. So that you guys can know what it looks like. It's crazy. Like it's fun. It's an experience, a crazy one. By the way, who invented canopy walk? Like that thing is one crazy adrenaline hike. Just goes up. Eee. So we're going back.
Two. What's I eating? Looking at talking here. What's she eating? Looking at talking here. Bush meat. What? So sweet. I don't want. What do you want? I don't want. Yeah, so guys are taking pictures with horse. What a horse. I took a few pictures as well. I mean, I have to feature in everything, every damn thing. I'm going to enjoy myself and also give you guys some of the experience. Share with you guys. So, we're going to the waterfall now. It's called Grotto. Grotto, what did I call it again? Grotto water, right? Now we're going to Grotto water. Grotto is like a small cave, so apparently it's just waterfall. My dear, I can't be tired. This is what I do. Okay, I'm tired now. That's what you want to hear.
Yes.
Yeah, so we've places, to the mountain, to the presidential villa for canopy walk, and then now we're headed to the waterfall. It's called Grotto Waterfall. I said it earlier. So this is the entrance, and it's also like the way that leads to our lodge anyway. But this is the entrance, and there's a woman that is selling orange. She's so cute. Okay, so far I gathered that the land is not good for farming, although the trees here are like really nice, but for farming of a crop that you can feed on, it's not good. So they don't really have like any food crop here, no food crops here. They have to get things from outside, from down the hill, down the mountain, up, and I mean it's going to be stressful. So a lot of things here are expensive. We had to get a lot of things down before we came into the ranch. Like it's very expensive, guys. Like a liter of petrol is like 1,000 naira. And then there isn't network. I said that earlier, there's no service. You can't really browse or send pictures.
But when we were around the presidential villa, we could actually snap and we could actually send some online messages and make phone calls or even that side. Okay, also at that canopy walk area, there was also service. You could snap, you could send pictures, you could send messages online and all of those things. But now, I think the service is gone again. Okay, there's still service here, so we're headed towards the waterfall again, as I said again. My guys are actually in front. I'm just here at the back. I don't know why I'm always like behind there. Just because I need to be quiet, just to talk to you guys.
It's a good way to start January. We've postponed this trip, and right now that we're here, I'm really glad that we're having this fun. Like it's worth the amount, guys. It's really worth the amount. If we had more money, it would have been superb. I could literally spend like a week here, although things are really expensive and you won't really get everything that you need, but it's really nice. Let me try to catch up with these guys. I'll come back soon.
Okay, I can hear them, I can see them. Yeah, so my scarf is almost falling off. Let me just put it like this. Yep! Guys, do I look like an Hausa guy? I mean, I look like a Nigerian. Yeah, so Obudu Cattle Ranch is really nice. And I feel like if government tries to invest more in this place, it's really going to make much more sense. Like the scenery is wonderful, the hills and everything. I don't know if you can see behind me. Just look at the hills and everything. It's like beautiful. Like what the heck? I mean, we could really have like a big thing going on for us right now. So let's just enjoy the waterfall. Okay, again, I learned something. To say thank you, Obaliko, which is the local government where the ranch is situated, you say Becheve. I mean, it's good to learn something. And also Obudu and Obaliko were formerly together, but now that it's just Obaliko, so they acquired the land for the cattle ranch. That's why it's not in Obudu, it's actually in Cattle Ranch, but it needs to remain Obudu Cattle Ranch. Yeah, and then I learned that a Cameroonian, how do they come from Cameroon? A Cameroonian discovered that this land was actually good to rear animals, and then brought cattle here and then started to rear them, and that was how he got the name Obudu Cattle Ranch. So we've not really seen like a ranch where cattle are, but I mean, we've seen some things.
How they take reach there? It's Holy Mountain, babies. My guys, them from St. Patrick.
What's up? How we doing?
We're good. We're good, yeah.
Man, you like the view?
Yep.
I feel like sliding down.
I mean, bro, let's do this.
It's calling me.
Let's do this. Let's go.
Remind us people that will use bike. All those dear devils that will use bike.
Guys, this is like one crazy slope.
Man,
Let's go.
dangerous. Want to check out the other side?
Okay, I'm coming with you guys. Let's go. I cannot go press shit to guys. Still on the holy mountain. Brother,
How are you?
fine.
We got a party tonight
Yeah, so where?
in our dormant area.
Where is the place?
1617.
16, 17. Okay.
Come around.
Alright.
Alright.
Thank you.
Night, man.
What?
Night.
Beer night, okay. I know you're waiting to talk, but I okay them.
See you on night.
See your night now they talk.
See you on night. That's Catholic Youth Organization of Nigeria.
Okay.
But
You
their
guys
own
can go.
could be anything. Their own could mean anything.
Guys, I've had mad fun. I cannot lie. It was worth it, guys. It was worth it. Really worth it.
Sorry,
talking too.
Ah, baby boy, sorry.
No, he wants you to interview him too. Interview him too.
When I think I no go video now. Continue, carry and enter your mouth.
So you can eat fufu with fish, guys. Love fish. Mad. Mandem. See, now the levels. Now levels.
Excuse me, this is a culture.
As in, you know, really. Wait, maybe true. Wow. Wow.
Serious.
Yeah?
They say it's in the evening.
Yeah. Party.